Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I would like to talk to you about 5 penny stocks that I think have great potential. 4 of those stocks are going through correction right now, and I think they are at a great entry point at this particular moment. One of the stocks I'm going to be mentioning today is actually gained 350% within the past 5 days and gained another 25% today despite the really red market. But before we jump in, I would ask you to leave a like, drop a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. That will help me to grow the channel and spread the knowledge. And now let's jump right into the stocks. The first stock I'm going to be talking to you about is Healthier Choice Management Corp, ticker HCMC. These guys have markets where they sell organic foods and also vapor division. But the main news for this company is that they have a lawsuit against Philip Morris, one of the biggest worldwide producers of tobacco. So these guys had their peak on February 11th, and since then they lost 28%. So I think right now is a good entry point for this company. If they win the lawsuit, they can gain as much as $700 million from Philip Morris. And that is going to be huge because right now the market cap for the company is only $515 million. So that will more than double the value of the company. And we can easily see 2-3x of the stock as soon as we hear some good news. Next company I'm going to be talking to you about is Global Battery Metals, ticker REZZF. These guys extract metals that are necessary for batteries and, let's say, solar panels. Now, because we're entering the new EV era, green energy era, all those companies who produce metals necessary for those batteries are going to be thriving and they're going to be heading towards the bright future. These guys had their peak on February 8th and since then they lost 41%. So I think either this week or the beginning of next week would be a good entry point for this company. They have great fundamentals, and I think this company among American Resources Corp and ABML are going to be having a great future. The next company I'm going to be talking to you is Medical MJ, ticker MJNA. This is the first company that ever entered Nasdaq market for trading MJ. These guys have great fundamental. They are not only selling their products in the United States, but they also have a market in Europe. These guys had their peak on February 11th, and since then they lost 49% of the stock. We can see that on February 16th, Tuesday, these guys tried to gain momentum, but the red market overall pushed the stock down even more. So in my opinion, this company have a great entry point at this particular moment. The fundamentals are great for this company, so I think they're going to have a bright future. And the next company, Sundial Growers Inc., ticker SNDL, is the same company. They're doing the same stuff. And they also had their peak on February 11th. And since then, they dropped staggering 57%. We can also see that comparing to the previous week, they tried to gain momentum and they tried to gain 10%, as we can see here on the graph. But the red market overall keeps pushing this stock. So I think these guys, together with MJNA, are at great entry point. Both companies have great fundamentals. They're going to be growing in size and they're going to become significantly bigger within this year and the next few years. So again, I think this is a good entry point for this company. The next company I'm going to be talking to you about is Lotus Pharmaceutical, ticker LTUS. I talked about this company yesterday. These guys are from China and they're producing generic drugs for cardiovascular system, for central nervous system, oncology, which is very big, and women's health and anti-obesity. These guys are not just the producer of their own drugs, but they also have great research and development center, and they also do contract manufacturing as well as contractor research. They have cross-licensing with over 150 clients, and they're covering 130 markets worldwide. And the big things that they have FDA approval from the United States, they also have similar approvals from European Union and Japan. Their growth is approximately 20% sales year over year. So fundamentally, this is a great company and I truly believe in their success. If we go back to the stocks, we can see that for the past month, these guys went up 650%. Past 5 days, they went up 340%. And the past day, they went up 25%. This is a high volatility stock, but I believe they have a bright future. These companies just getting noticed right now by the retail investors, and I think the price is going to shoot up quite dramatically. One thing I would like to remind you guys that penny stocks are very volatile, so they are high risk, high reward stocks. You can gain a lot of profit, but you can also lose a bunch of money because of volatility. I created this video for entertainment purposes only. I do introduce these stocks to you, but it's up to you if you want to invest in them or not. Please do your own research. Once again, if you like what you heard, please leave a like, drop a comment, consider subscribing to the channel. There's also a link down below to the Patreon where I post daily what I buy and sell, and you'll also get access to the Discord where I talk about the stocks with my subscribers. Once again, thank you so much for your time and have a great day.